Welcome to our exploration of post-disaster reconstruction. In the aftermath of calamities, communities unite to rebuild, demonstrating resilience, solidarity, and hope. Post-disaster reconstruction refers to the process of rebuilding communities and infrastructure after a natural or man-made disaster. Its importance lies not only in restoring what was lost, but also in creating a more resilient and sustainable future. The first crucial step is assessing the extent of damage and formulating a comprehensive reconstruction plan. This involves collaboration between local authorities, NGOs, and experts in various fields. Immediate relief efforts are essential to provide affected communities with shelter, food, and medical assistance. This helps stabilize the situation and lays the groundwork for the reconstruction process. Rebuilding infrastructure is a cornerstone of post-disaster reconstruction. This includes repairing or constructing roads, bridges, schools, and healthcare facilities, with a focus on resilience against future disasters. Empowering local communities is key. Involving them in decision-making fosters a sense of ownership and ensures that reconstruction efforts align with the needs and cultural context of the affected population. Post-disaster reconstruction is an opportunity to embrace sustainable development. Integrating eco-friendly practices like green building initiatives and renewable energy projects ensures a more resilient and environmentally conscious future. Economic recovery is integral to rebuilding communities. Supporting local businesses, creating job opportunities, and implementing skill development programs contribute to long-term stability. Building resilience is an ongoing process. Training communities in disaster preparedness and response ensures they are better equipped to face future challenges. As we witness the transformative journey of post-disaster reconstruction, it's evident that through collective efforts, communities can not only rebuild but emerge stronger, more resilient, and united.